breaking weather news in the last hour. We have learned this waterspout off Torrey Pines touched land as a tornado, technically. Meteorologist Angelica Campos is here now in the 10 News Pinpoint Weather Center with more on this rare event.
Absolutely. Very rare. And we went from sunny to a waterspout. There you have it. You can see that video sent in by one of our 10 News weather watchers. Lifeguards actually reported a waterspout about a mile offshore of Lax Beach at 5:35. Then it moved inland, making and actually touching ground as a tornado north of Gliderport before dissipating. Thankfully, there was no damage reports. That happened at 5:38. So very rapidly that system, or that waterspout rather, turned into a tornado.